Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Chef Miko. Today we will be making Filipino egg rolls. This recipe was handed down to me from a friend's mother. You can find these at almost any Filipino party. Let's learn how to make them. To make Filipino egg rolls, also known as lumpia, here's what you will need. 1 carrot, half a jicama, half an onion, green onions, 4 cloves of garlic, 1/4 cup of cheddar cheese, 4 eggs, 1 pack of Mamacita's lumpiang seasoning, black pepper, about a tablespoon of flour, a little cornstarch, a splash of oyster sauce, a pack of spring roll pastry wrappers, and ground meat. You can choose pork or chicken. Begin by finely dicing your carrots into small pieces using a chef's knife and a cutting board. For the rest of the vegetables, you'll be cutting them about the same way. For the jicama, make sure it's very tiny. Now that you're done with that, let's mix everything together. Along with your carrot, add your chopped yellow onion, green onions, eggs, cheese, flour, oyster sauce, black pepper, and the Mamacita seasoning packet to a mixing bowl with your ground meat. Mix until combined with your hands or a wooden spoon. It's now time to roll out your lumpia. First, you'll want to grab one sheet and lay it flat on a clean surface. Tilt it so the corner is facing you. Then grab some of the filling and place it just below the center and shape it so it's a bit long. Then grab the corner closest to you and lay it over the meat. Push down so there's no air in between. Make it tight. You don't want your lumpia to break in the frying oil. Roll it a bit forward, then fold in the corners to the middle. Roll it away and seal the edge with a bit of water and cornstarch. Make sure it's very tight. Once you're done rolling all of them, cut them in half. Cutting in half ensures easy packing and the perfect bite-sized pieces. And finally, it's time to fry. If you're my mom, this is usually done by eye. Heat your oil to 350 degrees and fry the egg rolls until golden brown. Place on a cooling rack once they are golden brown. Be sure to share this recipe with your loved ones. I'm sure they'll enjoy it. To be later.